Grandma is cooking the macaroni with sauce Maccheroni al Sugo. With this recipe, macaroni with sauce Maccheroni al Sugo, the most appreciated kind of macaroni are those seasoned with tomato sauce or with brown stock. First, prepare tomato sauce salsa di pomodoro chopped together, fine, 1/4 of an onion, a clove of garlic, a piece of celery as long as your finger, a few bay leaves and just enough parsley. Season with a little oil, salt and pepper. Cut up 7 or 8 tomatoes and put everything over the fire together. Stir it from time to time, and when you see the juice condensing into a thin custard, strain through a sieve, and it is ready for use. When fresh tomatoes are not available, the tomato paste may be used. This is a concentrated paste made from tomatoes and spices which is to be had at all Italian grocers, now so numerous in all American cities. Thinned with water, it is a much used ingredient in Italian recipes. Ketchup and concentrated tomato soup do not make satisfactory substitutes as they are too sweet in flavor. Of course, tomatoes seasoned with salt and a bit of bay leaf can always be used instead of fresh tomatoes. This sauce serves many purposes. It is good on boiled meat, excellent to dress macaroni, spaghetti, or other pastes which have been seasoned with butter and cheese, or on boiled rice seasoned in the same way. See risotto. Mushrooms are a fine addition to it. When using concentrated paste, the following recipes will be found to give good results. Chop 1 onion, 1 carrot, and a celery stalk. Form a little bunch of parsley and other aromatic greens and put everything to brown in a saucepan together with a piece of butter. Add a reasonable portion of tomato paste while cooking. Stir and keep on a low fire until the sauce assumes the necessary consistency. Next, prepare the brown stock sugo di carne. Cover the bottom of a saucepan with thin slices of beef taken from a juicy cut and small pieces of salt pork. Place over a large onion, 1 carrot, and a stalk of celery, all chopped in small pieces. Add some butter and cover the whole with any trimmings from steaks or roasts and any bit of leftover cooked meat. Season with salt and cloves. Put over the fire without stirring. When you smell the onions getting very brown, turn the meat, and when everything is quite brown, add a cup of water, renewing the latter 3 times. Finally, add a certain quantity of boiling water, or better still, of broth, and let it boil gently 5 or 6 hours. Strain, cool, and skim off the fat, which will form a cake on top of the liquid. The meat can be used afterward for meatballs or croquettes. The stock may be kept for some days and forms the basis for many dishes. In the end, the macaroni are boiled as above, then drained in a colander, returned to the saucepan and mixed with the sauce and grated cheese. For those who like it, some butter may be added in the mixing. The ultimate taste of Italian comfort food. Try this one for your family? Share your experience below.